Good morning. My name is Hollie Mcvittie. I'm coming to you from a very sunny Jersey Channel Islands today. You can hear the birds singing. I'm sitting outside in the courtyard at my gym. I started using WeStrive fairly recently, actually. I think I would say it's been about 3 or 4 months using this app now, and I have used an app in the past, a different brand, a UK brand, and I am much preferring WeStrive. So one of my favorite things is that it links in with 𝗟𝗧𝗧𝗦 app. So I should explain that I run a business that is a mixture of in-person clients and purely online clients. You can hear the birds singing away. And I do a hybrid mixture of clients that are in my silver or gold packages, where they're both online and in person. And some of my clients are athletes, bodybuilders. Some of them are people just wanting to be fit and well. Some people want to lose weight. Some people want to build muscle. All of them that are in the app need help with their nutrition. So I love that they can log their food in 𝗟𝗧𝗧𝗦 app, and that feeds into my software so I can look at what they're eating in real time, and they can look at their calories and macros. Another popular app that we used to use was MyFitnessPal, so it was a big leap to start using 𝗟𝗧𝗧𝗦, but I'm actually really pleased with it. It's working out really well, and it's really important to be able to see what people are eating in order for me to guide them and help them and show them statistically as the week goes on why they are or aren't at the results that they want. It's really, really easy to set up. I have my own demo workout videos, which I link through YouTube into the app. That's really easy to set up. So setting up the programs is really easy, not a problem. You can set up whether it's a superset, circuit, or single exercise. And also, if I don't have a video and I need to quickly give someone something, I can either use one of the stock videos in the app, or I can easily link to a YouTube video of someone that I really rate as a coach demonstrating an exercise that I may not have a video for. I love the ability to do that. I love that Corey, who created the app, when I first decided to join up with the app, he actually had a video conversation on Zoom with me. I've never had that before when I've expressed interest in using software. So that really meant a big deal, especially with the time difference, because he's in America and I'm on UK time. And anytime I do have any issues with the software, I always go straight to Corey, and he works really hard to resolve it. And that means a lot, because you can't always avoid issues, but how you fix them is so important. So that really means a lot that he does do that. Just to give you a bit of background, my app is called Joy Training. I have been in business for 3 years now. And in the beginning, I was completely online, and for the first couple of years. And then the last year a year ago is when I decided to come in the gym as well, because I was getting a bit lonely always working just online. I love the time freedom of it, and there's a lot to be said for that, but I also really like working with people, and it's really helped me upskill in terms of being able to actually have access and physically being able to move people, but still being able to, because I've got clients all around the world, still being able to work with them online and take them through sessions in their gyms via Zoom, which is really useful. I have, at the moment, 12 clients in the app. I'm sure more will be coming on board. Sometimes when I start working in person with people, then they start to get interested in the eating side of things, and then I can talk to them and say, well, do you know that I do offer other stuff as well? And then they might sign up to the online as well. Sometimes I'll do free challenges. I did a free 5-day reset challenge, and I had 25 people in that, and Corey was amazing. He allowed me to put the people into the app for 5 days without having to raise my cost, just to see if some of them would stay on, which one of them did, which was great. And then they get to sort of sample the app, and then they might miss it when it's gone, kind of thing. And then quite often, you never know. Corey asked me to cover what would I suggest to people starting a business from scratch. You never know who's watching. Sometimes people are watching and they don't actually reach out to work with you for like a whole year. So just keep going, and also get yourself a business coach. In the beginning, I had an American business coach, Nicole from Authentic Conversion, and that was a game changer for me, especially if you're working solely online, because you don't even know what you don't know. you don't know how to get people interested in working with you, you don't know how to handle all the different softwares, you may not know like how to do Facebook ads and that kind of thing. So I really needed that help in the beginning, and also to manage your mindset, because it's quite an entrepreneurial roller coaster when you're starting a business, especially one that you're not familiar with. Like the online world is quite different to the in-person in a gym. So get yourself a business coach and never give up. There will be times when you get scared that you don't have enough clients or you're struggling with money. Don't give up. And Nicole taught me, build your net as you're falling. So you need to not be afraid to invest in your business. Like, buy your merchandise, spend the money on the things you need, spend the money on the software that you need. It will come back to you. And don't be afraid to just be bold, make a decision, move ahead. Don't spend ages procrastinating, waiting for the perfect time, or wait until you know everything. You will never know everything, and you learn as you go. As long as you know enough to take that first step, then you gain through experience. So that's what I would suggest to people starting in business with personal training and coaching. I've had wonderful experience in Enjoy Training, and I would also suggest give back. We do a lot for charity every year, and I think that's so important, and it really brings your community together in pursuit of a higher cause. So, but I recommend WeStrive. It's the best app I've used. It's getting a little bit noisy here now, so I will sign off, but I will say WeStrive has everything that I need, and that Corey is really, really helpful. So anything that's not working or that you would like to add in, he takes it seriously to help you. And I think that's worth a real lot. Okay, guys, signing off. Have a beautiful day. Take care.